Vertical Machining Center. Provide higher production efficiency for your workshop. How to improve productivity in vertical machining centers. High-quality tool holders improve surface finish and dimensional accuracy by minimizing runout and keeping the tool concentric with the spindle. They also dampen vibration, reducing scrap rates and extending tool life. CNC programs with a clear structure cut down on machining time. Digital optimization for real-world gains. Efficient code, CAN cycles, and subprograms. Fixed cycles streamline tapping and drilling. Modal commands eliminate repetitive code. Subroutines modularize programs for easier management and updates. When processing complex parts, optimizing the tool path is of vital importance. The core of any successful VMC is a strong spindle. The higher cutting capacity can shorten the processing cycle and enhance the material removal force, which is crucial when processing titanium alloys or stainless steel. Clean coolant maintains cutting performance and extends tool life. Integrated chip evacuation systems prevent debris buildup, reduce manual cleaning, and avoid pump clogs or failures. Integrated automation like pallet changers and robotic arms eliminates human error in setups and tool changes. Ergonomic controls and user-friendly software further boost operator efficiency and reduce programming time. Finally, a reasonable personnel coordination process and machine maintenance are also key factors in enhancing the productivity of the vertical machining center. Of course, before improving your production efficiency, it is also very important to select a vertical machining center that suits your factory. WMTCNC is always ready to serve you.